Alright, you guys, so today we're just going to be deploying the project to GitHub. This is a really simple, like this. So we're just going to be deploying this to deploy the website from it on Netlify in the next video, alright? Okay, so you could just create a repository name, call it whatever. Let's call it Astro.js blog, and make it public or private. Private makes it only you could see. Alright, let's make it public and let's check out the commands. Alright, so just make sure you are in your root directory, not your backend, not your front end folder. And write this command, which is git init. Alright, if we're going to the project over here, you're going to find out that there is a .git folder over here. Alright, and git add all, and then git commit m initial commit, which is the initial comment that we're just going to be adding. Git branch m and then main, and you could just copy this. This is adding the remote origin, right? And I'm not going to change this one, but you can if you want, and then push to the upstream origin main, right? And you're going to find out it's going to be just like this, all right? All right, so this was video number 11. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.